Have you been waiting endlessly for a decision on your immigration case? A writ of mandamus might be the solution to break the delay. A writ of mandamus is a legal action that compels the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services or consular officials to act on a pending case when there is an unreasonable delay. This legal tool is used when USCIS or another agency has a clear duty to act, but has failed to do so within a reasonable time frame. Mandamus petitions are filed in federal district courts under the All Writs Act, 28 U.S. Code Section 1651, and 28 U.S. Code Section 1361, which grants courts the power to order federal agencies to act. While state courts can issue writs of mandamus, they cannot compel federal officers to act. Immigration-related mandamus cases are always filed in federal courts. To file a successful writ of mandamus, you must prove that the USCIS has a clear duty to act, the delay is excessive and unreasonable, you have exhausted all alternative remedies, and/or the delay has caused you significant harm. Filing a writ of mandamus involves several legal steps. Working with an attorney ensures compliance with court requirements. Step 1. Consult an experienced attorney. A legal expert can determine whether a mandamus action is the best option based on your case details. Step 2. Prepare the legal complaint. Your attorney will draft a formal legal complaint detailing your immigration history, USCIS's duty to act, the unreasonable delay, and the impact on your life. Step 3. File the complaint in federal court. Mandamus petitions must be filed in the appropriate federal district court based on the USCIS office handling your case. Step 4. Serve the defendants. The lawsuit must be served to USCIS, Department of Homeland Security, Attorney General of the U.S., and the U.S. Attorney in your district. Step 5. Government response. The government is given 60 days to respond. Possible responses by the government's attorney include a motion for extension of time for the government to answer, a motion to dismiss, arguing the delay is reasonable, and/or a settlement and joint dismissal of the lawsuit based on the government's agreement to act. If successful, a mandamus lawsuit can result in USCIS making a decision or agreeing to make a decision after the scheduling of an interview or issuance of an RFE. Most mandamus cases are typically resolved within 90 to 180 days. In comparison to other civil lawsuits, this time period is considerably shorter. A well-filed lawsuit can often force USCIS to act sooner than later to avoid prolonged litigation and a potential judgment against them by the judge. A writ of mandamus lawsuit cannot guarantee a favorable decision. It only attempts to force USCIS to act. Be used for discretionary cases. It applies only to cases where the agency has a clear duty to act. Replace an appeal. If a case is denied, you must file an appeal or a lawsuit based on an Administrative Procedure Act violation, not a mandamus petition. A writ of mandamus can be a powerful legal tool if your immigration case has been delayed. However, navigating this process requires legal expertise. Stay prepared, stay informed.